Hello and welcome, I'm Kosh, and this is another Granite City RC unboxing. Ooh. So we have a dump truck from Huina. It's the 1582, 1582, whatever model. Again, 14th scale, so this is going to match in with the rest of the equipment we have. 10 functions, stuff anyway. Let's have a look here. So the ever important instructions. That looks very similar battery to the other ones. So again, that's a 2000 mAh. I'm guessing, yeah, 2-cell LiPo. Isn't too bad. Controller, which looks very much like the front loader actually. This must be tipping on one side, I think, because that's only up and down. That's got a left and right and up and down, so either that's tipping or that's tipping and that's driving. Oh, that's going to be weird. Because that's... We'll figure that out. So it looks like 4 batteries in there. Yep, another USB charger. Let's get you out of there. All-wing mirrors, which don't really turn, but that's fine. Nice metal cab, metal back, metal whatevers. So look where the batteries go. So battery in there. On and off switch in the middle there. And it's just, I think, the back 2 tyres, the driving tyres for it. That's pretty smart. That'll be a good addition to the site, especially with the new work going on. I'm still trying to figure out the site a little bit, but with this in place we should be able to do that. So I'll get the battery charged up, we'll have a look at everything there and see if we can get this running around. That's pretty cool. As I said, that's all metal, plastic body and whatever, but metal cab. It does have a good bit of weight to it as well. But anyway, battery, charge you. So yeah, on this stick, that is the hopper up and down, and your steering, and just forward and backwards on the left stick there. Thought I might as well actually read the manual. Batteries and things. Battery safety, battery. Yeah. And instructions on how to do it. That's not too bad. But anyway, battery. So yeah, 4 batteries, I think I said before, but good news, I was getting things charged from before, and the loader seems like that's charged, and it's just the 580 that I was waiting to recharge, so that one out, that one in, loader battery, exactly the same ratings on there, that's a loader. So we should be able to get that out and test it quickly just now. And there is a screw takeout just in there, so we can get the battery in, and some sort of right side screwdriver. There we go. Again, nice little locking catch there, and yeah, there's actually quite a bit of space in there. Feels like you get more batteries in there quite easily. But anyway, let's get this ready and get this outside. So there we have it. Yeah, that kind of performed as well as I thought and was expecting to. Having seen a few reviews and things, so there's no suspension and things there, and the ground outside was pretty rough. But no, I think once I get the hang of things, I'll be fine. Get some soil moved. That's pretty fun. But anyway, thanks for watching. Bye now.